Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you're new here, welcome, and be sure to like this video and follow my channel. By doing so, my video will reach more people like you who are interested in home decor DIYs. Today I'm using ping pong balls from Dollar Tree to make a large Christmas garland. The first thing I did was use a drill to drill holes in all of the ping pong balls. I made sure the holes were large enough for the twine I'll be using. After all the holes were drilled, I placed the balls on skewers and took them outside to paint them 3 colors: black, red, and white. Once the balls had dried, I brought them back in and began stringing them on the twine. I think it's actually a knitting needle, but it worked great with this thin twine I was using. The pattern I wanted was 1 black, 2 white, 1 red, and then repeated the pattern until I ran out of balls. I decided I wanted to add a really big tassel. I used some red and black buffalo check wired ribbon, twine, and white nautical rope for the tassel. The ribbon was wired, so I removed the wire, and it was also a little wider than I wanted, so I just cut it down the middle. When I laid the tassel out, I stacked them with 2 pieces of buffalo ribbon, then the nautical rope, 2 pieces of buffalo ribbon, and nautical rope. I tied the stack in the middle using a piece of twine. This is the same twine I used to string the beads with. I attached the tassel to the garland. I took the 2 pieces of twine from the tassel and tied a knot with the twine from the garland. I then used the 2 pieces of twine from the tassel to create the top of the tassel by wrapping them from the bottom of the knot up to the first ball of the garland. I used hot glue to attach the twine. I used this wood tag I had previously cut out for another project to create a tag for the garland. I'll leave a link in the description for the video where I made the tags for you in case you want to watch it. I painted the tag first with ivory chalk paint and then with white chalk paint. I used my hot air gun between coats to dry the paint quicker. I will also leave a link for the hot air gun I use and recommend in the description. The best thing about this hot air gun is it's less than $20 on Amazon. After the paint was dry, I used a sanding block from Dollar Tree to give it more of a worn and rustic look. I then used rubbing alcohol to remove any of the dust from the tag. I found this cut file in a Christmas bundle I had purchased previously from Design Bundles for the tag. I'll also leave a link in the description for the bundle I used for this project. After layering the vinyl on transfer paper, I applied the vinyl to the tag. And I then used my secret to creating amazing vinyl on wood projects, my iron. Placed a thin piece of fabric over the tag and used my iron to melt the vinyl into the cracks and crevices of the wood to give it more of a hand-painted look. I then applied matte Mod Podge to the tag to seal it and give it more of a finished look. And again used my hot air gun to dry it quicker. I'm telling you, if you don't have a hot air gun and you love crafting like me, you need to check this one out. It has saved me so much time over the past couple of months. I then tied a knot to attach the tag to the garland and made a simple bow with a piece of twine. I hot glued the bow to the twine on the tag, not only for a finished look, but to also make sure the knot didn't come untied. I just love how this large garland turned out. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIYs, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. Hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.